So today's video is in partnership with Yitahome, and they have sent over this wonderful coffee table. So I'm gonna open it up and see what we have. Well, it was packaged really well. Oh. We have our bag of screws. This is a nesting coffee table, so there are two. As you can see, oh, you can't see me. As you can see, it's in my favorite color, white and black. Oh. All right, so we've got it all unboxed, so now we got to put it together. So I looked at the directions and I thought I had put the table together correctly, but no, I had it upside down, so I had to flip it over. Does anyone else read the directions all the way through? Or do you really think you take a glance at it, it's like, oh, I got this, and you try to put it together and then you don't have it? Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you ever do that. So again, I thought I had it all figured out. I put these legs on and then realized I'd put them on the wrong piece. So I had to take them all back off again and start over. But we'll get there, guys. We'll get there. Make sure you keep watching and let me know if this has ever happened to you. I don't typically put together furniture. I leave that to my boyfriend, but today I was bound and determined that I was going to put this table together myself. I watched Emily from Mama from Scratch, and I watched Natalie from, what is Natalie's channel? Design to the Nines, and they know how to use power tools, and they are constantly building furniture, and I was like, darn it, I can put this together. All I have to do is put in some simple screws. So I was determined I was going to do it to prove that I too could put together some furniture. Alright guys, so the second piece is put together. Looks like that. These could actually be 2 individual coffee tables on their own. They're quite large. I didn't realize this coffee table was so big. I guess I should have looked at the dimensions a little more, because I got this to go in my loft, and now, so yeah, I'm sweating. I got this to go in my loft, but now I think it's too big for that area. Oh, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? All right, guys, so change of plans. The coffee table was too big to go in the loft area. My loft is really small, so I decided to put it here in my boyfriend's man cave. It is a work in progress. We are going to redo this room, so it is not finished, but this is the only place that I could put the table for now. But I absolutely love the look. You guys know I love black and white. They're signature colors. So I think it looks perfect here on the cowhide rug. So again, the room is not finished, so don't pay any attention to the room, but pay attention to the table. Absolutely love, love, love it in the space. So I would like to thank Yitahome for sponsoring today's video. I will leave a link for them down below, as well as a coupon code that will get you 10% off. But I absolutely love the table, and as I said, it is really, really big. Like, look how big this table is. Oh my gosh. So the link will be down below. Make sure you go check it out. And stay tuned for the makeover of this room. So I think you guys would really enjoy it. So if you are new here, welcome. My name is Sheryl. I love decorating with style on a budget, and we are going to be redoing this room all on a budget. So if you are interested in saving money, this is the channel for you. And make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the family. So let's take one last look at the table, and I hope to see you in the next one.